Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. On the top of the retail box, we got the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus branding, Xiaomi logo, a picture showing the front and back of the smartphone, and the highlighted feature that it comes with 200 megapixel AI camera along with 120 watt super fast hypercharge. Here we got the information that it comes with 12 GB RAM, 512 GB storage, and the color variant we got inside is Midnight Black. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the Redmi branding, a SIM card tray ejector pin, we got some quick start guide, user manuals. Here is a case for the back panel, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G in Midnight Black. Here we got this huge 120 watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, the smartphone, quick start guide, user manuals, USB Type-C cable, 120 watt charger, case for the back panel, and the SIM card tray ejector pin. So here on this protective film, we got the information that the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G comes with 200 megapixel Pro grade AI camera, 120 watt hypercharge with 5110 mAh battery. The device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. It comes with IP68 dust and water resistance. We got Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the display, and we got a 1.5K resolution 120Hz eye care display on our device here. So here is our Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G in Midnight Black. So let's switch on the device. After that, we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got this huge 6.67-inch display with great screen-to-body ratio. The side bezels are quite thin and because of the curved edges, it gives the impression of edge-to-edge display. The bottom bezel is also very thin, and once again, if you use a dark-themed wallpaper, then it will give you an impression of the virtually negligible bottom bezel. The same goes with the top bezel as well, as it is very thin. In the top center, you will find this punch hole where the front-facing camera resides. Right above it, there is this tiny slit for the earpiece. At the top, we got the speaker grill along with the microphone and an IR blaster. At the bottom, we got the primary speaker grill, USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot. At the right side, we got the power button along with volume keys, and there's nothing on the left side. There is an in-display fingerprint sensor provided, and if you go to the back of the device here, you will find the Redmi 5G branding, some regulatory information, and this huge camera module at the top that occupies most of the top center of the back panel. The back panel is curved on the sides and the same goes on the front as well, and the device comes with IP68 water and dust resistance. As we have seen that the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The back of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and we also got a thin screen protector pre-applied on the display. So it's nice that we got dual protection on the screen, and the device also comes with a vegan leather back panel variant. So in terms of design and build quality, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is pretty solid in every aspect, as it comes with huge screen to body ratio, premium looking curved edges, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front, Gorilla Glass 7i protection on the back, IP68 water and dust resistance. Talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 68 billion color reproduction, 12-bit color depth, 120Hz refresh rate, the support for HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and 1.5K resolution that provides 446 ppi. The display of Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is extremely sharp and you won't see any pixelation in any situation. So the colors are very vibrant, the viewing angles are great, and you will enjoy all kinds of content watching on the display of Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and because of that the display of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is very smooth. As you can see, the maximum peak brightness can go as high as 3000 nit. You won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. Talking about the hardware, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. We got Adreno 710 GPU, 12GB RAM, 512GB storage, out of which 31GB is preoccupied by the pre-installed ROM and the applications, but it comes with older UFS 2.2 storage, and it also comes with memory extension feature that allows you to extend the RAM up to 12GB more on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, so virtually you can get up to 24GB RAM on this device. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 14 with HyperOS 1.0. So it would be great if Xiaomi could provide the latest Android 15 and HyperOS 2.0 on the most high-end smartphone in the Redmi Note 14 series. But as we have seen, the HyperOS is very feature-rich, comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use on this device for better productivity customization and to have a better user experience. It comes with plenty of Xiaomi's applications like the themes, Mi Video, Music, Mi Browser, Gallery, Weather, security, etc., along with plenty of bloatware that you can easily uninstall from the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. Talking about the camera, on the front side we got a 20 megapixel front facing camera, and on the back we got 200 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. As you can see, there is no telephoto lens provided on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, and the setup is pretty much same that we got on last year's Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that we got the toggle for the up to 4x zoom, 2x zoom as well. We got the wide angle mode on video as well. We can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS only, and in the wide angle mode only Full HD resolution video recording is possible. We got the dedicated 200 megapixel imaging mode. We got documents, portrait mode, there is night mode as well, that is also available for wide angle. And if you go to more, here you can see that it comes with pro mode, panorama, slow motion, dual video, time lapse, long exposure. So in terms of features and options, we got plenty of them on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. The only thing is that 4K resolution video recording is not available at 60 FPS, and the hardware we got is pretty much same like last year's Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. But we will see that how good the performance of the camera of Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is going to be in our future videos. Right now I just wanted to give you a quick glance at the camera features, options, and hardware we got here. So overall, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G is looking a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment because of its great build quality, brilliant display, super fast battery charging speed, and a promising looking camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, comparison with other smartphones, etc. will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.